Hey guys, Todd with Great Escape Farms here. Homesteading is not only outside and inside in the kitchen, it's also rehabbing the home and a number of other things. So I have been working on this bathroom here for probably 2 weeks now. I was mainly just demoing the floor and doing a few things. There was a big bathtub over here. Actually, I have some pictures of that. I'll go ahead and splice those in here. But we had a big bathtub over here, and it was a jacuzzi soaker tub, and it drained our hot water tank. So my wife loves baths, but by the time she filled this thing up, we ran out of hot water, and it still wasn't warm enough for her. So we decided, and there was no shower up here. So we have one bathroom on the second floor, one on the first floor. So this is the second floor. So we decided to go ahead and remove the soaker tub here, and over on this side right here, put a soaking one-person bathtub in that is much smaller, so much more economical with water and everything. So we're going to tile along the walls here. I actually hired that out. I'm going to get somebody to tile that out. I'm doing the sheetrock here. I did some electric, so I added in a new fan up here with a brighter light on it right there. And I added a light over here, which will be over the shower. And I changed out the light up here in the closet, and both this light and that light are LEDs. And also they had the GFI hooked up wrong. So this outlet was underneath of the tub, and that was GFI, but it was running parallel with this outlet, and right in between is where the sink was. And none of these were on GFI. So by code, any outlets in the bathroom need to be on a GFI circuit. And I'm also adding these lights up here on the GFI. And the reason I'm doing that, well, that one's over the shower. So obviously, just in case any water gets up there. But the shower is going to be right here, and here's the light switches. So any electric around water I want on GFI. So this whole system right here is going to be on GFI. And I did that over here. So there was originally one junction box here, and I broke it out into two, set it up. I still, in order to be up to code, I still need to nail down or fasten these boxes, right, or not the box, but the wires going into the box. Let's see, I have to be within 8 inches of the box there. And I'm sorry, I left the GFI conversation without finishing it. So here's the GFI right here, and this one, by hitting this, when that goes off, it kills that outlet, it kills that light, it kills the light in the closet, and completely kills all electric to this particular outlet here. So there's nothing anywhere in here that has electric except for the main switch panel right here itself, which covers the overhead lights. So let me turn that back on so we have good light here. There we go. And let's see, another thing with the National Electric Code is you can't have these things permanently built into a wall. So this is in a wall, but the opening here is actually going to be right behind the medicine cabinet. So the medicine cabinet we can easily access in case anything is needed back there. Let's see, I have a plumber coming in, and he's going to move the toilet and everything over to this spot, and he's going to take, I don't know why they did this. They ran the plumbing up outside of the walls, coming up through the floor, and I know that they have access below to get up into the wall, so I'm going to have them reroute that and bring it out into this board right here, into the sheetrock right there. So I will have to go ahead and remove the sheetrock, let them rough that in, and then I'll put the sheetrock back up. Same with over there. I'll have them put the plumbing for the toilet in the wall, at least the feed into the toilet. And so I'll have to remove the sheetrock there, and then I'll put it back up. And I didn't put sheetrock up here because they're going to be removing this plumbing when they move the toilet. So I'll do that a little bit later once we get everything up. So also, fortunately, I left just the toilet itself in here. That's the floor that was in here. I left that in just until the plumbers got here, and they had ordered the wrong tub to go in here. And because this is spring or winter of 2021, there's a run on construction products, and they gave us a time frame of after they had to reorder the tub 6 to 8 weeks before we're going to get a new tub. So I'm going to be torn up like this for a period of time. So for right now, at least we have a toilet, and the kitchen's right around the corner. We can just go there and wash our hands. And of course the shower is downstairs, which we've been dealing with since we've had this place. So this is one of the projects I've been working on this winter. And once we get the tub in and get the tile up here and on the ground or on the floor here, then I have to finish putting the sheetrock up, mud it, and I have some patchwork up here because this fan was a little bit smaller, so I'll have to patch that up and have to play with design up there. If anybody has pointers on playing with mud design to try to get this to match in an existing system, I'll take any pointers I can get, because I really don't want to have to tear this whole ceiling down. So I'm going to try to match it as best I can up there. So for right now, that's an update on one of the things that I've been working on. I'll have some other posts of some other miscellaneous things I've been working on out here at the farm coming shortly. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much, and have a great day.